Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X2 key battery. Start by finding the small release tab on the key fob and slide it to expose the emergency key. Pry the fob open gently with a flat tool at the seam, keeping the halves aligned to avoid snapping clips. Remove the old battery, note its orientation, and insert the new battery with the same side up before snapping the fob closed. Gather your tools before you begin to make the swap smooth and safe. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool prevents scratches, while a soft cloth cushions the fob. Confirm the battery type printed on the existing cell so you buy the correct replacement, and keep a small tray nearby to hold the emergency key and any clips you might remove. Working organized reduces lost parts and frustration. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after DIY simple, and it saves you time when you need both hands on a project. I use it to keep my work area hair and dust free. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow each step slowly for a clean replacement that preserves your key fob. After removing the emergency key, work the pry tool along the seam until the halves separate without forcing them. Lift out the old battery while remembering its orientation, then press the new cell into place, ensuring proper contact. Reassemble the fob, test the buttons, and verify your key unlocks the car from a short distance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.